DJT stock analysis next week. This is super interesting. Is it a buy? I'm going to be covering all this in this very short and brief 1 minute video. And as the only guy in the space with an actual track record of 45,000 videos and 5 years of experience, I've seen what's working for me and what's not. Needless to say, it's a not so much of a bullish market. You know, I'll tell you this, it's a bearish one for me. Like, unless I see breaks above $20.90, there's just no way that I'm looking at it like this. I'm looking at this and being like, okay, it's a bullish market. It's actually quite the opposite. Even if I pop up here with DJT, I have a bunch of freaking receipts. I got like 5 results in the Discord right there. And this is where we basically are now. I mean, simple, man. Only if there's a double break, I will look to take it down. And if I do not see the shift, which is a very precise thing that I'm waiting for, but welcome to trading. You just have to wait for your rules to be met. Now, you do whatever works for you. I'm just saying what's worked for me. If you want to stay tuned, you know, if you want to get free stock picks emails at Insights Daily sent out to you, click the first link in the description. See you in the next